My name is Lawrence Sokanwaji. I'm an LGBT. I'm gay. I'm proud to be gay. I left my country, Uganda, because of persecution, discrimination of gay people, and the law that was passed by the parliament of being caught gay can be imprisoned for 14 years. So I was persecuted and escaped death in my country. So I decided to go to Kenya to seek for asylum. UNHCR took me to Kakuma refugee camp where I'm residing by now, and I'm going through several attacks. I'm going through persecution still. I've just realized that all what made me to run away from my home country, I'm facing them even by now. I just want to tell you something slightly, something that LGBT face in the refugee camp: several attacks, several diseases, homophobic attacks from homophobic people, banning of LGBT by the homophobic people, definitely caused by discrimination and hatred. However, we are supposed to be protected by UNHCR, and in its mandate, it is supposed to give us protection. However, UNHCR has failed us. And due to the fact that it has failed us, we have gone through several situations that really is not good for LGBT life. We'd love to express our feelings. We'd love to express our emotions. We'd love to be people, our rights. So, having gone through that, we have people who are trying to fight for us, who are trying to fight for our rights. Such people, we really love them. And due to that, we have received some kind of donation. I thank you, Christopher from Germany. I love you so much. You've been there for us. You've been giving us some donations through me. And with that donation, I've tried to buy some food and helped several people for medication. In the names of Winnie, Omi, Ali, they have received medication from you and so many others. And then food for all the donations that you've been giving to us. We thank you so much. And we still call for more donations because we will need safety. We need to be moved to safety. I remain Lawrence. Thank you so much.